Are you interested in doing attraction marketing but just aren't sure how to get started and what exactly to do? My name is George Escola and I help people retire in style. I have recently discovered a step-by-step method of applying attraction marketing to social media. Through attraction marketing, you bring to you people who are truly interested in what it is that you have to offer, and you can start a conversation. And if they like what you have, they will get what you are promoting. So. Um, I'm going to leave a link below to my Facebook Messenger. Leave me a message there, and I'll get back to you with information on attractive marketing so that you can apply the step by step and start bringing in leads that are truly interested in what you have to offer. My name is George Escola, and I help people retire in style. Click the link below, leave me a message, and I will get back to you on attraction marketing. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.